Ooh, what's this? Hi, my name is Barbie. Today we will read you Spot Goes to the Beach. Have fun!
Spot Goes to the Beach by Eric Hill. Spot Goes to the Beach by Eric Hill. Dad and I are taking you to the beach, Spot. Spot wants to buy something.
Can I have a sailor hat?
You really spoil him, Sam.
Thanks, Dad.
Catch the ball, Spot.
Hey, watch it.
Sam is taking a nap.
What are you making, Spot? Sandcastles. How was the book? Was it fun?
Spot, where's your father?
Here I am.
This is fun, Spot. Dad, I've caught a fish.
Almost.
Puppy overboard.
I'm okay, Dad.
Spot, that's not your towel.
Let go.
What has Spot found now?
A new friend.
Come on, Spot. You can play with your friend tomorrow. Good. The end. And that's the book, Spot Goes to the Beach by Eric Hill.
How was the book? Did you like it? What is that? Ooh. Come on, let's go. See you on the next book. Bye.
Bye.